Strong reaction at the state capitol tonight in response to a 5 Eyewitness News report.
The Minnesota Department of Human Services confirms there are 62 active investigations into family and child care centers. They're part of the Child Care Assistance Program known as CCAP, a $34 million program that helps thousands of low-income families.
Jay Coles has been looking into this for months, and Jay joins us now with the latest on a story that you're seeing first on 5. Jay.
Yeah, Lindsay, there was quite a bit said at the Capitol today. The lead Republican on the newly created Fraud Prevention and State Agency Oversight Committee wants hearings and new investigations into the CCAP program. And the Senate Human Services Committee says it will ask state regulators about our story tomorrow morning. Serious concerns and a lot of questions about the oversight of CCAP by the Minnesota Department of Human Services. That's how State Representative Kristen Robbins describes her reaction to our story Tuesday night.
Not only through your story, but through some whistleblowers who've reached out to me. It's stunning that there are 62 open investigations currently, and so I think we need a deeper, wider investigation into this.
We do not know the focus or scope of those investigations or which facilities are involved, but Robbins says when things get sorted out in the House, her committee will hold hearings to ask state regulators about our story and the investigations already underway.
I hope that we can also get to some real legislative changes.
Robbins is referring to information we uncovered showing some daycare centers in the CCAP program have repeated violations over multiple years. DHS investigators say many of those violations could threaten the health and safety of children. Between 2019 and 2023, the Minnesota Department of Human Services found 95 violations at Quality Learning Center in Minneapolis. They range from failure to keep hazardous items away from children to no records for 16 children, which includes things like immunizations, emergency contacts, and medical needs. State investigators placed Quality Learning Center on a conditional license in 2022, with that conditional status lifted in 2024. State records show the daycare center received nearly $8 million in CCAP funds since 2019. DHS declined an interview but explained they could only stop payments under state law, quote, when a provider intentionally gives false information on its CCAP billing forms or submits false attendance records. A provider is operating after a suspension or revocation of its license, there's a credible allegation of fraud, and/or a provider refuses access to attendance records. Robbins says she wants to change that part of the law.
But if they have serious concerns to put someone on a conditional use permit or to cite them for hundreds of violations, we should be having a stop payment until those things are resolved.
Now, Robbins says even though the House cannot hold formal hearings until things get sorted out in the House, she says they can have working groups. She says next Monday they'll have one of those meetings and wants to hear from DHS and others connected to the CCAP program. Now, I've also reached out to Governor Walz for comment and DFL House leadership, and I'm still waiting to hear back. Lindsay?
All right, Jay, thanks.